If you love the Olive Garden's 5-cheese Ziti al Forno, you can recreate this creamy, cheesy pasta bake right at home. It's so easy to do. It's the perfect weeknight dinner. You're going to start by cooking your ziti pasta in boiling salted water until just al dente. Drain and set it aside. In a large pan, combine Alfredo sauce, marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, half of your Italian cheese blend. Heat over medium and stir until the pasta sauce just begins to simmer. Add in your cooked pasta and stir it so that every piece is coated in that creamy rosa sauce, topped with cheese. Then we're going to make our buttery garlicky topping. We're going to combine melted butter, panko, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, garlic. Sprinkle that over the pasta, toss it in the oven, bake at 350 until the top is golden and bubbly. Let it rest for a few minutes and garnish with parsley and serve. And there you go. It is so easy to do. Get the full recipe at copycat.com.